Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how I got my pictures onto my mason jar cap. So I gathered the different things that we need. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn this right side down and we're going to center the lid. And you can kind of look at the front. You've got some room to play with. She's kind of pretty much center of this, so I'm just going to center her in this. And then I'm going to draw around my mason lid. Then I'm going to clip off these corners so I don't have that extra bulk. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and do a running stitch around this line. And you'll see I'm going not quite a 1/4 inch around the outside. I just have to have enough that will fold over the cap. So I'm probably, well, it probably is about a 1/4 inch. I'm going about a 1/4 inch outside of the line that I drew that is the mason jar. Get this stuff out of the way so it quits catching on my thread. Okay, now when I get here to the end, I'm going to leave the needle on the right side of the fabric. So when I go to gather it up, that it is in the right spot. Okay, now on this, you can just gather this around here, but I found what is easiest is this score tape is amazing stuff. I use it for everything, for embroidery, for everything. So it's double-sided tape that you can actually tear. So you don't have to like use your scissors and get them gummy. So I'm going to just put this around the outside rim here. Okay, I'm going to press this down real good. I'm just going to peel the paper backing off of it very carefully so I don't pull it away from my lid. All right, and I can take this end, just make this, doesn't have to be pretty, it's just going to hold it. So now I'm going to center this right inside that circle that I drew, hold this in place, pull, and now I can just start sticking all these edges down. And this makes it so much easier than trying to get this knot tied while holding it. So then I can just come in here and I can tie a knot to secure this. Like so. Get that right against there. All right, then I can cut this. Now I am ready to go and glue these inside of my mason jar lids.